And thanks for the opportunity to be on your live, and greetings to your guests. For this evening, I have two main purposes for joining your live way. Number one, and I want to show you this. If you can see it, University of Health and Allied Sciences, School of Pharmacy, Department of Pharmacology and Toxicology. I want you to pay attention to a research title, impact of chronic antidepressants use on cognitive function in anxiety and depression with a focus on Ghana. Uber from Huadinu Alipoji Harris Richard. This is all I want to show you for the first part. To show you, say, my research work about my PhD in pharmacology, is centered around mental health, how medications affect people and all those things. And the way I drink Juma, I'm not boasting, but again, I have some depth of knowledge in it because I'm in specialization. Now, when I look at Japan, the reactions, the responses over the time, I can tell you for sure, 90% confidence say there is something wrong somewhere. Now, Obi Bia occurred through surgical operation and is about the brain biano. Most of the time, the person will not return the same. Most of the time. Because the brain is such a way that it does not create new tissues. And to okoye surgery or adrenaline, you even mistakenly touch a small portion. Such small portion is gone forever. So when you look at the way Honorable Japan reacted, or some of his reactions, and even on the campaign trail, you understand why medically, he's behaving this way. And I can tell you, say Ghana, a serious nation there, and someone who has gone for surgery on his brain and has not gone through rehabilitation, that person should not be anywhere near a official position. Who has surgery, who has rehabilitation. And I'm not sure, say, Honorable Ken had the time to go to rehabilitation. Uba Adrenima, I had baby I control emotion. These are the places. Amygdala. This. So over high, we have the hippocampus, the thalamus, and the rest. I don't want to bore you with the details. But I had taking care of emotions. Now, the surgery Honorable Ken Japan had, it was around this area of the brain. And by all means, some elements of the emotional control and all those things will be damaged. It can only take medical rehab. But we as MPP, as a political party, right now, you need time to come and wait for someone to go through these things to become medically fit for the presidency. We are already seeing one that we are suffering for. Right now, our national chairman, he's not around because of something like this. Because of brain issues. And yes, sir. And do we also want to go and vote for the flag bearer that tomorrow will not be available because ABR side effects of the surgery are resurfacing? I don't think so. We have that time. Now let me finish up by coming to and then I'm missing. Let me bring it.
The voice, why more Ghana now, more Gina Mumayeno. I see a pequine be the bomb hobby because say the Anito party in the social party in the bomb hobby. Rank casualties are a better record, a bed also. And then answer Mrs. Taco radio station. NDC near on any call here. So one tears yes, say, my men are allowed no man and the diba with me at them into Abono. So on country, Modia Mecanaha.
Huh?
Yes. NDC ni on any co-program. NDC ni on any co-program. Etwegu so abrono. I'm a someone making a Danny police case. Intina maybe say we address ya now address here.
No, Mr. Fennis, NDC ni doing the same.
On any na call here. Intina I'm pressing Bema and your Bema. Bema twegu or baso abrono because one man of crime and the doctor Baumi at them.
TV station, baby.
Assassin Radio, Yankasa radio station. Assassin Radio, Yankasa radio station.
They said I meet him.
Now, and then the American say, the communications director. Men can't send them as 7 in EP. Your communications director.
I have got some now back on hey.
Ban this matter. We want to see you. We want to see you. The our promises say, o de bebreye no.
No, Sasha,
Pe
no.
ebebo china na won fa saade ne maya. Mesanyagba ye no wo bi ka. Ma me fe no nto nchen. Fat base woni na ye mamuni na akwa aba. Ye Radio Canada na ka se nei. Ene no ati se na ye de aseda amamo a mutumi bebo a ye fact base ye kan ye nuanom bloggers bo mu na ohwe videos na etwagu a na in fact nika de na mebo organizers abaso mebo the founders of fat base network ne mo a matumi push fat base network man edu bebre ye du ye bebo mu ni na abaso se onyankopon entene mo maso nya den for every bullet and every push that comes said the beya mobi to me I withstand na matumi aye den amaniama akọ the way ekọ ntimo amoyi bi ma ye damo ase mesere mo mo antumi anyi ne so na megina ha ya mesere wo eyie bia ye wi a ye tene fie ne yabubuka yebubu wi a na de ye be ne yaye mesere wo ye nkan kire wo se kofa $100 ebra se $50 kra na ubenya me pacho fa ko fact base for network na so na yentumi emfansan ye ho cause ekoba ye no sa bibiri ya no ene ye de beka na ha ekodu say yempumba no na akoye den intimesre wo a wo support fact base bia no onyame enka wakoma na boa yen na kakra sebe usu betumi de aba ama sebe yetumi de putting it together no yen putting it together na bibia nwie ye again omo amobo aye ni na so no pacho yedamu ni na ase se mutumi ebeboa ye ema na ye fefefe ekuya ne ayi ama mo pon ha mo frɛ me na yen settle one or two things bi anyways the atiane say uye baumia nipa the voice for the first time I want Baumia people should thank God that we lost 2024. So we about nipa. You should be 100% then grateful. It be
Grateful.
To Nyankopon say, Oboaye, Emma Dr. Baumia, Eba out at the appropriate time to save Ghana. Because anke nyesa anke yakokun tokwe hunu because picture sanka Dr. Baumia ye ne hutintini ti say one pinipo ne ye pepre ya ne ye de ma Baumia nke hwe nipa woni onkoye adwuma o hwe nipa anko ne onkoye adwuma na ye papa ye nwini ye hu woni asa na omo ye the little foxes in the vineyard they are one twe sign every opportunity they get. Every opportunity they get, they try to drag us back. And God is now not only exposing them, He is actually using their own words to expose them. O yusu womo ankasa nu mu asem e de expose womo. Me pa cho one sebano in terms of appointment here. And Kenya, the so-called number 5 economics guy in Africa, na adwene e wo for mo a na me nimu da me man na anwene ho da says our vice president and a choose appointment my president minti bi da but I no koda nchen na se yeji anu tumu say vice president na my appointment there na ndie no kura mesumi gina ha se mo say stikei ansa na wo be kwa maslo ke ko wie ska de di guess wutu wen kwase asem nti wa ye ho say won wale and next ka ye po bi the finance minister ye po bi a wawale o ye po bi a wo hweba ye po bi a what the sentiment for women, the sentiment for children, the sentiment for people. Wo ade wo utirima ne say yanko shiboka maka kire wo say baby a wuto wi ni jaton to ho na ntobio ma sheda ma number so wo pese wo num wi bi afre ho na ko num wi wo sori a what go tana no MP obi a we be di MP 4 years wo da so num go tana wi nyansa be na ebenya na watumi di akasa stika misi a wo meka kire wo say bra ade na wo num no mesre wo no according to not according from. Who sorry na ne got a 4 boy see no mo di 225 for framount. Ma kan na no yesu obi akonyim obi yankotwehwe na gidi wudi wuti kondo say head of medusa ko gina o ge na kra no ye miguel ye frel Oda so num boka obi eskaba wo nsem nembre steka oda so to boka nom. Ah mama number, mama correct number. So person will relax so mind ya kohokoto. Oko tonkwasi ewi num wia no abetra na wo kankwasi asem nko na sebio wo na wo sie se wo ye economist. Economist ya Ghana ha ye ni school bia e beka se steka ko kira de ewum. Onfamra. Economist ya wo paper no kura na ekenya me ka wensan ka kura se wo ye PhD. Oje de yen. Na enna me beka asem bi wa ha. Steka eye nipa bia. He is a tribal idiot and a religious nuisance.
You are right, 100%.
Tribal bigot and a religious nuisance. Wutu we zongo for guess here once in now where the half. No wubuko toje steka wubuko toje. Na de wu benya sebe kremoni president dia wesi yo da bi ayi sebe Ghana for to makremoni. Steka Bokano. Na igbo na make sticker go gaga. See the fool ignora imama wonam ignora. Stop igbo sticker jai igbo jai nom sticker jai nom profession yanyinim baby edu na so obi eja na obi ahwe ne ma na watumi anyanyansa wo kasa asa akoda bi asabe ya hono e bonvita amano a water free nyansa bi anim as a PhD holder. Now let's go to the nonsense you spilled about Dr. Baumia. Obi or what can be him said Dr. Baumia does not appoint. And even if he suggests, if the cabinet or the people or the decision-making body does not say yes, his suggestions are not taken into place. For your slow mind. Since I decided a woman was doing your jubanistica, you bet you nyansa. Now who say doctor does not appoint. Ebio wo stikei nyame ye wadom ema nanado ba first time nya baby share eba no bra Ghana mu ye din ana ekwati how this is what I want to show you people say that part of the party people omo ye wicked omo person omo say MPP ekwani me ntia bra Ghana called the knees and ye here economics for omo be man the finance ministry ono na steka tikonko no ka ho as a deputy finance minister. We should ask Steka say what policies, what solutions, what type of thing was he able to draft to the committee? Say me so Steka me economy na maya me ye number 5 no we na madwen ho dia bentiam fancy Ghana. And next year see ye domestic exchange program DDP na senkrofo e pay ni hwan ya kamu Steka ka wo mo ekodi san kwasi asem no so say ye nkwasi asem na o ka ho. Steka say domestic gas program no say na ye nkwasi asem a Steka ka ho as a matter of fact wo hwa bill no so kura na won ne second person a wo sign here. The same program no. Ebio, let's talk about personality. Say me gina hui na ye de kwadwo pon kroma ba ye de Felix Apia ba yes ye pay information and as a communication minister yes Felix Apia adenti abo ne de ne de pa o kan kwase asem pa o e wo bra eyi se be kwadwo pon krom na nukura the credentials are they been proven said ono ne yem fama na. Is that what Steka was trying to tell me? Was Steka saying say time na ye pe finance minister na nke ye be fa me ba ye se me kasama MPP nti ye be ye me finance minister over him and ke ye good ana. I don't have the qualifications Steka has to be a finance minister. So why the hell would I even be angry? Say the thing was we're trying to find the better hands to handle the economy. We should give it to Obi. Or no unqualified because I know a day I know yeah it's farmer keke. Yeah. The American Namaka acquisition say back in the days, and when I say back in the days, I'm talking 2023. Say din bina ye na mumu bi keka nkwase asem di party na bro because say wodwen say wo ko atia ba omi ano say ye mo say ye be pene masade na akobi odi na mumu bebre no start woro mo mpaboa because dwuma ye be di mu after 31st no one dwuma ye tese over be hokura say wo kwaje party card because you say mumu bebre no bronsam asra mo go so opeso de mo ye adwuma mumu bebre no bronsam asheda asra mo go so opeso de mo ye adwuma nanso Yeshua hamashi ate ase nko ade yeso ye betwam achimpre ne ye wi ya pagya e de atom de ahyesa adamo ne honwom no ne yapamo de mo agu apubu no mu cause ho na mo da berete Dr. Bawumia started so ye ne campaign omo within that other aspirant po won frɛ won na dia ne said your person de ba delegate for say didi job me dia na ebeye and the delegate welfare yem famra database welfare yem famra yes ye grassroots for say ye BND was say dia 10 appointment yem famra papa nam na wo kire dia se mo ma no kwan a wo betumi de party na ye mutu we mokokoka eyi hwe mo ye church service po a sanke no asem na mo ka no mo ntumi anka church service no asem o aje se mo de Bawumia din be bata ho ansa na week na mo trend na mo anka se mo nyankopon ko a mo so no kan kire mo se dam na mo bo sanka se picture se Bawumia na ka se okoye Thanksgiving we anka the whole weekend na ko bi abe discuss because Bible quotation na Mr. Timothy obeyi ato hokra no kire se obi abedwane ko gina don sa hwe obotom traditionalist ye na de Yesu ehia u Galilee asesan ene de Yesu asesan Galilee yesrew ye Christopher ne de yese Christ like life utie eye Christ like life inti Mr. Mahuna awrade o metu awrade ahu Yesu amanka wa yere kwa yesrew ene Yesu aba wa bra bom inti man yere bio because this time around hey we ko gina page so we ko gina stage so we ko gina hwan ye wadwene se wo be ye Bawumia your subject here you and your campaign will regret and this time we have no respect for nobody this time the moboa this time na fa because you say your time hunu na mother time papa na nyese wa ye mu bibi enye se Bawumia ye mu bibi o time hunu keke na moya madwene se mo pese mo de ye no na mimi tuwe sebe na hwan na ka se na mpese me ma me ye fantini ana sebe me papa ye we asante achem. That wasn't my plan. But baby, I will meto ya no. Nti say yam fair no engensi me a. Was tribe awye. Okopa adwuma. Baby, I won konen kwankrofo empel tribe na asem. No mo so kan kire wo say wa asantini nti yam fa wa adwuma. Ekua ma me fancy ankrofo doso. Mesin abem.
Martin Mr. Felix, before answer na ebeko